Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be hitting the creeks in the cold weather. We needed our hand warmers today. It was so cold, but we're going to be fishing the creeks, trying to figure stuff out, and using some brand new Trout Tickler Tackle baits while we're at it to see if we can get some action with some smallies, and who knows what else we might catch, so follow along and see how we do.
Oh, Reese, fish on! Oh, he got off! No! That was a fish! Oh, fish on! Fish on, good one, Reese! Got him! Smallmouth! Yes! Yeah, look at this! Look at this guy! Look! Look what he bit! Egghead! Trout Tickler Tackle, egghead, got it done. Woo, woo, woo. It's freezing today, buddy, and we caught one. Here, that's the bait that got this guy pinned up. Egghead by Trout Tickler Tackle. Freezing day in December. We got her taken care of. Thank you, fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Cold, fun. We're on him now. He's still here, Reese. Look, he's still here. He hasn't swim off yet. He's so cold. See him? See him? Point my rod right at him. See him right there? He's just kind of slowly moving. Yes! We might be onto something now. Oh my goodness, the Reese Titanic, eh? Wow. Love it. It's definitely gonna tip over. That's awesome though. I love it.
So we quickly learned that that was the only fish we were going to catch there. So we changed locations, changed creeks, and started throwing a crappie-sized jig from the Panfish Party Pack from Trout Tickler Tackle to see what we could get going on.
Oh, fish on. Oh, big one. Nice smallmouth. I got him. There he goes. Hey, we're good. Yes. Sweet. I got him, Reese. Get up. Well, this is a pretty fish. Got him on the straight tail bait. Pretty bait. Daddy knows they're here. I now trust 100% that they're here all year long. Look who's coming. Look, Reese, they're lower this time.
Sandal crane.
Yeah, and they're low.
Oh. Weird. Low.
They're beautiful.
Why would they be low though?
I don't know. Well, because the wind, maybe they came down lower to get out of some of the really high winds, maybe. That could easily be. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Ooh, good one.
Can I get him?
No. Oh, you want to find him? Better get him now. He's gonna come up. Get him up. Yes. Our third smallie of the day.
No, fourth.
Third. Come here.
It's our fourth.
We have only caught 3.
Can I throw a cast with this?
Yeah. Hey, bud. Thanks for coming. Recording.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for coming today. Thank you, bud.
Bye, boy.
All right. Yes. So, we've caught fish today. It's only been 3, bud. I don't know why you have 4 in your brain. Okay. Oh, there he is. Got him. Now that, number 4, and he's a good one. There you go. Yeah, I think we're not done. Another pretty one. Pretty one for the...
Probably made possible by the dirt claw.
Thank you, bud.
Flopped on top of the water.
Yeah, I did. It was a pretty active fish. All right, well, we're getting action up here now.
Hey guys, here's the fishing joke of the day. Where do you find a fish in orbit? In trouter space. Back to the action.
Not exactly easy, is it? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Oh, what is this? A real. Oh, Reese.
It's a cloud.
It's a creek chub.
Huh?
Creek chub, a big one.
Okay, it has to be a bass or flat.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
You didn't say bass. That's a monster creek chub.
It has to be a bass to count.
Oh, okay.
Ah! Can I throw back?
Look at that.
I love creek
That is a
chubs.
huge creek chub.
Oh my gosh.
Here.
Dude, look at the size of this thing.
That's a
They
fat-
look like carp,
Yeah, they do. Yeah, well, they turn into.
but they don't have whiskers.
Yep.
Do they turn into carp?
Well, they turn into bigger creek chubs, I guess. No. Good.
Oh, it's not.
Relaxing with mud. That's my son. Relaxing with mud. Dun dun dun. That pretty funny or what? Reese evidently.
We should do that on one of our backgrounds of our videos. Relaxing with mud.
Dun dun
Relaxing
dun
with
dun
mud.
dun 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 dun.
When I do something funny, we should play that song. Relaxing
Yeah.
with
Oh,
mud.
there we go.
No.
Yep.
It's a bass.
Yes. Pretty sure this is a bass. Yep.
No!
That, my son, is a smallmouth. It's a small one, but it is a smallmouth.
No!
Daddy's a fishing king. Da 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 da
Daddy is
da
a fishing king.
da 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 da. Yes, and Daddy just.
Dad, he's
What?
sitting right there.
Is he?
Oh, I can see him.
Is that cool?
He's hanging out right by that table.
Awesome.
See him?
Uh-uh.
He's right down there by that rock.
Really?
Someone out really slow.
Cool.
He just jerked out.
That's awesome. Well, evidently the fish are right here.
It's the fishing king. They didn't have it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, fish on.
Dad, help me.
I got a fish.
Oh.
Help you. I got a fish, dang it, Reese. And it's a smallmouth.
No! Daddy is the fishing pro. Daddy is the fishing pro. Daddy is the
Thank you, buddy. Do you need help now? Or did Fishing Pro help you up? Do you need help or not? Yeah. Okay.
If you catch another one, I'll give you a hug and a kiss.
Okay.
I'll say Daddy is the fishing elite series championship.
Whoa.
Champion.
That's pretty crazy.
Maybe.
Maybe?
But I will give you a hug.
Okay. Thanks. Oh, well, you're going to have to do it, bud. Daddy just got him.
Well, good thing I just got up.
I'm going to get me a hug and a kiss because of you, fish. It's another smallmouth bass. You have to kiss the fish, too. Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
Look at that. Beautiful fish.
Mouth is open.
Well, you don't have to kiss him that way.
Ah, he's cold.
Love you.
He's
Evidently, they're up here in this shallow area. Like where they were the day that you and I.
class.
They're right where we were. Remember when you were on one leg fishing?
Oh, yeah.
This is right where we were catching them. You did the same thing as the other ones did too. Just thump.
I have the same height.
Oh, man, I missed him. I saw him miss it. Reese, the one about the same size, just totally swam and missed it.
I guess that's the sharp. I have the hatch out there and say, I have the same high pitch. I have the same high pitch.
Oh, shoot, missed him again.
Ah!
Man, he tried.
I had the same. Okay, you're right.
Uh-oh. Gotta actually fix the
The
bait.
high, the same. I have the same high pitch. Is working. I have the same high. I have the same high.
Got him.
Oh!
Oh.
Another high pitch bass.
That's a good one.
Another high pitch bass.
Yes. Oh man, he swallowed it whole. Got it good. Ah, stop. Beautiful fish. This is so much fun. Catching bass.
Thanks for watching this video to the end. We really appreciate those that watch our videos and just our participants in what we do here on Reese Life Dad Life. One of the coolest things about today is that we had zero expectation. Literally, it was just above freezing with heavy winds. Hands were freezing. The only way we were really out there was thanks to gloves, thanks to hot hands. Can't go without them when it starts getting cold. And thanks to some bites happening, especially at our second stop, where we started to get some action, especially when we shrunk our baits down to more of a crappie size bait with that Trout Tickler Tackle, Panfish Party Pack, straight tail version. It was a really money bait for us. So it was fun to see everything. One of the things that we didn't show in the video, just because the GoPro imagery really didn't show it, but we were able to see an otter. That was super cool, and we did some other exploring along the way while we were looking for a couple places to fish. It was a great experience to get out, and as kind of our motto is just don't give up. And this year in winter fishing, we're not giving up. We're keeping on and we're working our butts off to find the ways to catch fish, and we seem to be able to do that. Now, here in the near future, we're going to have ice, and that means that we're going to be shut off from open water fishing, and we're going to start popping holes and seeing how we do. So with that, thanks for watching. Check this out, and if you want to save 20% at troutticklertackle.com and use some of the baits that were used in this video, we will have the promo code in the description of this video, as well as check out their page directly just to see all the good stuff going on at Trout Tickler Tackle. We're really excited to be pro staff with them. So with that, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time out on the water.